Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up our assistant menu button as an edge icon in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, first of all, we need to go to settings, then accessibility, next interaction and dexterity, and here we have our assistant menu button. So by default, it looks like this, but we can change how it looks like, and we need to go here, and here we have our show as edge icon. So when we use this option, then our button is hidden here, as you can see on the edge of the screen. So it won't float on our in the middle of our screen. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.